Drainage container replacement. When a drainage container is full, an alarm will go off and its display will blink. If it is difficult to replace it immediately, you can stop the alarm for 5 minutes by touching the drainage container display. Open the front part of a device and disconnect the 3 connections to take out the drainage container. Disassemble both caps of a lid and seal the 2 large holes tightly. Lift both handles of the lid and remove a drainage bag from the plastic bottle. Please keep in mind that the plastic bottle must not be thrown away. It is reusable. Next, prepare the new drainage bag from the Lmeca-엘메카 set and shape it by entering air into it. Put the drainage bag into the plastic bottle and connect it to the device, as you can see on the screen. After replacing the drainage container, you can see that the alarm turns off. Saline replacement. If saline is insufficient, an alarm will go off and its display will blink. If it is difficult to replace it immediately, you can stop the alarm for 5 minutes by touching the saline display. Open the front part of a device and disconnect and take out the saline. Dispose of both used saline and saline straw cap altogether. Next, prepare the new saline straw cap from the Lmeca-엘메카 set and 1 liter of saline. Please keep in mind that saline must be used, not sterile water. Lastly, combine these together and connect to the device. After replacing the saline, you can see that the alarm turns off. Thank you for watching.